Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin smooth love portion. We're currently having a rally in the altcoin market, but as long-term investors in smooth love portion, what should we expect from smooth love portion in 2023? How high are we going to go in this relief rally? Is the bottom in for smooth love portion? How low can smooth love portion possibly go if we continue dumping to Goblin Town? In this video, we'll be taking a look at smooth love portion's market cap, which is currently at $125 million. For long-term investors, should we be expecting smooth love portion to continue dumping to Goblin Town, or is the bottom in and we're going to start pumping to higher prices? We'll also be taking a look at smooth love portion's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, should we be buying more smooth love portion right now deep in the bear market, or do we have further downsides to go? And how high can smooth love portion get to by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We saw altcoins dumping to Goblin Town in 2022. 2022 turned out to be a very bearish year for altcoins. But right now, we've set 2023 on a very bright note. Altcoins are pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. Smooth love portion is up 38.5% in the last 1 month alone, which is good news to see. But for long-term investors, we knew we are going to see a lot of pumps along the way. We also know we're going to see a lot of dumps along the way. We've seen smooth love portion dump to Goblin Town in this bear market from July 2021, when the top came in for smooth love portion at the $0.38 region. Smooth love portion has lost more than 99.49% of its value. That's what happens with all coins in the bear market. All coins are very, very volatile and they can dump to Goblin Town in the bear market. Why we like altcoins is that even though they can dump to Goblin Town in the bear market, when the bear market is over, we see these altcoins pumping to the moon. We saw smooth love portion in the previous bull market outperform the US dollar by more than 3,900%. $1,000 invested in smooth love portion would have returned over $39,000. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market for smooth love portion. We're seeing this altcoin drop to as low as $0.002. Guys, if you're going to be holding this altcoin till the end of the next bull run, you have to know that we're going to have a lot of dumps along the way. We're also going to have a lot of pumps along the way. But those people that are going to be profitable and going to survive till the end of the next bull run are those that are willing to hold strong, are those that are willing to dollar cost average when we're deep down in the bear market. A lot of people want to get their first 100x, their next 1000x, they want to get their first 500x in crypto. But guys, for you to get this kind of pumps in crypto, you have to be patient. You have to remember time is your friend. From where SLP is currently trading right now, for us to go back to the previous all-time high, SLP will have to go up by over 12,000% and SLP will have to pump by more than 100x. So if you want to get your first 100x, SLP might be the project to do that. But for you to enjoy that 100x, you have to survive the bear market. And surviving the bear market is very, very tricky. A lot of people don't want to buy when the market is down in Goblin Town. They want to buy when they start seeing all those green candles to the upside. You want to buy when the market's in extreme fear. You want to buy when there's huge pessimism in the market, when everybody's advocating for lower prices, so that when we start pumping to higher prices, you'll be happy you bought when we're deep in Goblin Town. But guys, always remember, very, very importantly, you don't want to go all in when you're buying these altcoins. You can see what smooth love portion has been doing since when we set new all-time highs. It has just been down to Goblin Town. Even though we had a rally along the way that took us up around 351%, we ultimately led us down to Goblin Town. So you want to be careful with altcoins. Even though we are closer to the bottom of the bear market than we are to the top, guys, from the $0.002 level to the $0.0055 level will be my accumulation range for smooth love portion. I'll be buying as many smooth love portion I can buy in the bear market at this range. When we get out of the $0.0055 level, my accumulation is done, because from this level to the previous all-time high, guys, smooth love portion will have to rally up around 7,000% for us to get to the previous all-time high. I believe SLP is going to pump really well in the next bull run. If you want to enjoy that pump, you have to be willing to invest right now deep in the bear market. Dollar cost averaging is very, very important, because if we see SLP breaking below the $0.002 level, you will still have some capital to buy if we see lower prices. If we take a look at some details about SLP, in the last 1 year, SLP has gone from as high as $0.04 to as low as $0.0019. SLP has a market cap of $125 million, a fully diluted market cap of $125 million. SLP has over 42 billion tokens in circulation. Currently rank 181 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 281,000 people that have SLP on their watch list. If you want to get some SLP for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, you can buy some SLP on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitstamp, on PancakeSwap, on SushiSwap, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at SLP's market cap, we saw a sharp increase in the market cap in June 2022. And guys, that market cap of SLP shot from as low as $16 million to as high as over $200 million. Right now, SLP's market cap is around $125 million region. There's always that possibility we might dump back to Goblin Town. We might see Smooth Love Potion coming back to test the lower ends of this resistance band. Smooth Love Potion's market cap might drop either to the $36 million region, and if that level doesn't hold, we might even see the market cap, in a worst case scenario, get to as low as $16 million. And for where Smooth Love Potion's market cap is right now, we'll have to see the market cap drop more than 86%. And if that's happening for the price chart, we might see Smooth Love Potion dropping to new all-time lows. I know if you're holding a Smooth Love Potion right now, that's not what you want to be hearing. But guys, when the bear market and the bear market, crazier things can happen. So Smooth Love Potion dropping an additional 80 or 86% will not be surprising. We're seeing a lot of altcoins do that in the bear market. But what I like them is that by the end of the next bull run, they can recover all the losses they make in this bear market and probably even pump into new all-time highs. If you take a look at Smooth Love Potion's performance against Bitcoin, we're down in Goblin Town. Smooth Love Potion is basically down 99.9% against Bitcoin in this bear market. But that's what you expect with altcoins like Smooth Love Potion. They are very, very volatile. We saw them pumping aggressively in the bull market. Right now, we're seeing them dump aggressively in the bear market. And we're seeing Smooth Love Potion have the same reactions with its performance against Ethereum. Guys, in the bear market, a lot of people are scared. And when people are scared, you see them running towards safety. And safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. That's why a lot of people flip their altcoins for some Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, which leads those altcoins to lose value drastically against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're a long-term investor holding Smooth Love Potion for the foreseeable future, guys, you want to be prepared for the worst case scenario. At the same time, you want to know critical levels where Smooth Love Potion might find resistance as we're pumping to the upside. After the $0.0055 level, Smooth Love Potion might find some resistance at the $0.0097 region, and the highest we might see Smooth Love Potion pumping in this relief rally before we go for that one final dump to the downside. If we're lucky, we might see Smooth Love Potion rally back to that $0.009 region. From where we're currently trading, Smooth Love Potion will need to give us an additional 235% pump to the upside. That will mean Smooth Love Potion would have gone up a total of more than 300% in this relief rally. But guys, I want to repeat it. This is a very, very important point in this video, is that the bottom might not be in for Smooth Love Potion. So even though I believe we're closer to the bottom, with all coins, you don't want to be very, very sure. There's always that possibility that we can just see one final dump to the downside. We might just see Bitcoin and Ethereum going back to the lows they set, and we might see Smooth Love Potion falling harder than Bitcoin and Ethereum, because as again I told you guys earlier in the video, when people see their altcoins dumping to Goblin Town just like we saw in 2022, there's a lot of fear in the market, and when that fear arises again, you will see people flipping their altcoins for some Bitcoin and some Ethereum. So be careful out there, guys. If you want to survive the bear market, you just want to do what smart investors are doing: dollar cost average and hope and wait for when the next bull run will come around. In investing, time is your friend, and don't invest what you are not willing to risk. Investing is very, very risky. More importantly, investing in all coins is very, very risky, because all coins are volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Where do you see Smooth Love Potion going in the nearest future? If you're a long-term investor in this project, if you believe we'll see Smooth Love Potion pumping to higher prices, where do you think it will drop to if we see that one final dump to the downside? How low can Smooth Love Potion go in this bear market? Or is the bear market bottom in? Do you think this is the start of a new bull run for Smooth Love Potion? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So see you guys in my next video.
7.